Hello, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Thanks so much for tuning in. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you around Villa Melo, which is a beautiful 3-bedroom luxury villa in the hills of Chaweng Noi here in Koh Samui, Thailand. I'm going to be working with the owner. He's a guy from Germany. He's been living in Thailand for about 10 years now. And this is a really unique villa because they have a lower one, and then we're staying in the upper villa with beautiful views of Koh Samui from up here. So I'm going to be working with the owner for about 3 to 4 nights, and I'm helping him with some marketing projects and to promote this villa. So normally, before the COVID pandemic, it was pretty much fully booked every single month, 85 to 90% booked on Airbnb, Agoda, and Booking. But unfortunately, during this pandemic, they have very few customers, and I've been reaching out to a lot of luxury hotels, resorts, and villas here in Koh Samui, and thankfully we're able to get this place. I'm staying here with my girlfriend for a little while and just kind of helping to promote the place. So in this episode, I'm going to show you around, just do a quick tour video of the villa, and you can make a booking on villamelo.com. I'll include a link in the description below so that you can, if you're coming to Koh Samui soon, you can make a booking at this beautiful villa. So without further ado, let's start the tour video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications on upcoming episodes. I'm going to be putting out more content from here in Koh Samui and possibly working with some other hotels, resorts, and villas and making tour videos like this one. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, peace from Thailand. Take care. Stay safe.